Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Replit for coding and building software. This is perfect for beginners in 2025. So step 1, go to replit.com and sign up with your email or GitHub account. Step 2, from the dashboard, click or tap Create App or Create RepL and choose the programming language such as Python, JavaScript, HTML or CSS, and many more. So step 3, Replit will create a coding environment instantly with a file explorer, code editor, and output window. Step 4, start coding in the main file. Hit run to see the output in real time. Step 5. To collaborate, click invite and share the link with teammates. Step 6. You can also install packages, write tests, and deploy your project to the web using the Deploy tab. Step 7. Save your progress, fork other projects, or browse templates in the community. So after that, you will go and create your app. Replit is beginner-friendly, cloud-based, and great for fast development and sharing. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.